Storm Watch number 225, effective until midnight Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 225 has been issued until midnight Friday for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, and York. Here is the Louisville, Harrisburg, and Landisburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Julietta and Perry. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Midland County in central Pennsylvania, west central Julietta County in central Pennsylvania, central Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, until 11 p.m. At 10:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Honey Grove, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter size. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, New Cumberland, Enola, Steelton, Lemoyne, Plainfield, Schlusser, Rutherford, Lawton, Boiling Springs, Wormleysburg, Bresler, Enhout, and Oberlin and Pembroke. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 216 and 239, and from mile markers 246 to 258. Interstate 81 from mile markers 41 to 69. Interstate 83 from mile markers 40 to 49. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Midland, and Perry. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania until 11:15 p.m. At 10:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Harper Tavern, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Palmyra, Anvil, Cornwall, Myerstown, Pleasant Hill, Sand Hill, Newmanstown, Lebanon South, Cleona, Devon, Richland, Fredericksburg, Schaeferstown, Quinton, Harper Tavern, Lickdale, Fort Indiantown Gap, Kleinfeltersville, and Jonestown. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8. Interstate 81 from mile markers 82 to 96. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following county: Lebanon, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania until 11:30 p.m. At 10:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Valley Green, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include York, Lower Allen, Michaelstown, Columbia, New Cumberland, Midland, Spry, Dallastown, Shiloh, East York, Stony Brook, Wilshire, West York, Maytown, Shrewsbury, Grantley, Valley Green, Tyler Run and Queensgate, Manchester, Hallam and Emmetsville. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 239 to 246. Interstate 83 from mile markers 1 to 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and York.
From mile markers 2396 Interstate 83, from mile markers 1 to 39. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tower Hill, or near Ephrata, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Westchester, Coatesville, Downingtown, Kennett Square, Harrisburg, Honeybrook, Elverson, New Morgan, Marshallton, Lionville and Marchwood, Glenmore, Howley, Chester Springs, Leonville, West Goshen, Malvern, Atglen, South Coatesville, Avondale, and Modena. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Coatesville, Downingtown, Honeybrook, Leonville, Marshallton, Glenmore, Leonville, Markwood, South Coatesville, Modena, Exton, and Thorndale. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night.
Until
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania.
Moving southeast at 45 miles per hour.
More than one on there.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, tree damage will occur. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is likely. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania until 11:45 p.m. At 11:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Churchtown, looking southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
On the lowest floor of a sturdy
Impact,
building.
tree damage will occur.
Windows.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is likely. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Yourself from
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Lancaster County, including the following locations: Goodville, Blue Ball, and White Horse. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 291 to 294. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until midnight. At 11:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Marshallton, or over Westchester, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, sidings, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Westchester, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Chester, Deptford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Pennsville, Belmore, Yonge, Westtown, Woodbury, Pittman, Carneys Point, Downingtown, and Fulcrum. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Friday for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Camden, Gloucester, and Salem.